Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today we have a new planner subscription little packs from Planything. There's a Washi subscription and then a planner subscription that are going to be available now to purchase. So definitely check out that affiliate link down in my description if you're interested in purchasing one of these subscriptions. So we have the Washi one, like I said, and then the planner one. They come in these cute little fun packages. I always love seeing the different packages that are going to be for this month because they give you like a little hint of like what's going on inside, but they look cute. Always love those. So I'm going to open up this Washi subscription first. If you really like Washi, and I love Planything Washi. She has amazing Washi, fun Washi that you can use. Ooh, we got some nice pinks. I love to see pinks because pink is like a neutral for me in my planner. All right, so we have some nice striped ones, little cowboy boots, more cowboy boots, and then we have grid, cowboy hats, and then the scallop. Okay, I'm gonna swatch these. Okay, these look so fun, like swatched onto the paper. So here they are. Got some nice thicker rolls here, and then the thinner ones. So cute. All right, so that is the theme of the Washi subscription for this month. Super cute. All right, so that's if you just want Washi. And then there's another subscription that comes with a little bit of a few different things. It has Washi in it too. So here's the planner subscription. This will have a different theme to it, which I like that too, that not everything's like the same theme. So you get two different themes for this month. Oh, is it birthdays? Cute. Oh my gosh, I like these little pockets. Okay, so looks like we got paper, we have Washi, we have a cute sticker book. Oh my goodness, I'm already loving this. And then some little pockets. I'm gonna open everything up. This Washi is so cute. Okay, so here is the Washi. You have this happy birthday balloon letter one, a stripe, and then this cute confetti one. Here they are swatched out. I love those, so fun. Okay, so there's the Washi. And then we have, these are little pockets, so they're adhesive, and then you could stick them on wherever you want. And this would be cute to do like memory keeping, and you could put like little, if there's like mementos or things like that. So like my sister loves, like when we go to like a restaurant or even to amusement park or something, getting some kind of, you know, memorabilia or like ticket or something and just like sticking them in her planner. So you can put that, or you can put like pictures in here that you can pull out, all kinds of things. So you have this cute little present with the banner, the balloon one, and then, ooh, I like this sparkly one, little confetti, cute. Okay, so those are the little pockets, adhesive pockets. You get some paper. So we have a balloon pattern, they're double-sided, the fun glitter on the back. Oh, how cute is that? Party time, cute elephant. And then you have some doodles. And then you have the girl with the cake on her head. And then the confetti. So cute. All right, and then we got this adorable birthday sticker book. I'm excited for this because I feel like I run low on birthday stickers. So this is going to come in very handy for some upcoming birthdays. I'm very excited for that. Okay, so let's flip through this. Life is a Party sticker book. This is a 20-page sticker book. Here is the first theme, a pretty pastel birthday theme with florals. So you get two of those sheets. Then we have balloons and banners. This page is super adorable with the animals and the party hats. Fave. And the tropical vibes makes it even better. Like, look how cute. They're so adorable. They're so happy. We have some confetti. That's cute. You have the girls. Oh, there's more animals with hats on. Love that. Presents. And then we have boxes. Balloons. More balloons. Balloon letters. I love some balloon letters. Okay. A through Z. And then you got numbers. Perfect. You can put the year, or you can put the age with the balloon letters. All right, so that is a cute little birthday celebration theme here. I love this theme. So good. All right, so those are the items that are releasing in this subscription for May. And then we have, again, don't forget the Washi subscription, the Washi that comes with this one. Lots of goodies in this one. Now I'm just going to do a quick little plan with me. Actually, I think I might do, I've been liking taking these little things and making a list. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. I want to do like a birthday list. I think I can manage that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some paper, I'm gonna get myself set up, and I'm just gonna do a little birthday list on the back of one of these. When I do a birthday list, I like to have a box for each month. So I'm probably gonna have to use a bunch of like smaller boxes from this book. We'll see how many I have actually. Can I do this? I'm gonna have to pull in more boxes somewhere else. Is there only one page of boxes? Oh no. Yeah, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have enough. 8. Yeah, because then there's double here. Now it's a matter of like, is all this gonna fit? That's the other thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scatter them around, I think. Or I can do circles too. Okay, first what I'm gonna do, I think I wanna do is, well, I could do this. Let's see how this looks. Then I don't have to use the bubble letters. I just use this. Oh yeah, that's kind of perfect. Then I don't have to use the letters to place them. Okay, so we'll do the happy birthday on the top. This is like my title little part. Happy birthday, perfect. Okay, and then, yeah, because those would have been way too big. And then I'm just gonna grab boxes. So I'm trying to think, like for me, I'd have to tailor this to me depending on the family members, like what has the most like birthdays. This is gonna be January. And I'm just gonna write in with pen on the top. It's gonna look very nice. Okay, we got January. I kind of want to do a circle. I think that would be fun if I do it this way. February. Cute. I just want them scattered around. And then I will put stickers. I just want to make sure I can fit everything. We're going to make March green. Green's my favorite color. My birthday's in March. April. Yeah, my nephew has a birthday in April. May. June, we have 2. Sorry, I'm trying to place the boxes before I run out of space. June. July. We'll do August. I think it's gonna work out. August. September. I don't think we have any in September, but I still want to put it even though we don't. September. October. We'll do this. No, it's too close to that color. We'll do the pink. October. And then November. Okay, it fit. More or less fit. And then December. No, it's too big. Okay. December. We'll put December. Might arrange them a little bit differently. Okay, at least I got 12 boxes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12, okay. As long as there's 12, that's all that matters, right? I got all the months. Okay, so March, April, May, we'll do this one June. This one is July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, there's all the months. All right, looks good so far. Now I get to decorate it. Oh, and then I would just put like the birthdays in here. So for instance, my birthday, or my mom's birthday is the 23rd. Mom. My nephew is the 30th. My brother and my sister are in June on the 30th. They have the same birthday. Lorenzo, Vanessa. I know my brother-in-law is in July, but I can't remember the exact date. August is my nephew, Aiden. So yeah, I would just write in the birthdays here, like my birthdays. Well, my sister-in-law's birthday's in March too, so I could just write in my stepdad's birthday's here, my dad's birthday's here. So I would just write in the birthdays all in the list like that, just so that way you can see how I would map this out. And then I'm just gonna put in cute stickers now. So I think I want the cute little, can I fit the cute little guys in here and not be like, not have it look awkward? Okay, we'll see. I think I'm gonna put washi down to put places for them to sit, because I have a thing about that. It's like they need to be sitting on something. They can't just be floating, you know? Can't have them floating. So I could put one here. Like, I love this one right here. His face makes me happy. Look how cute he is. He's so happy. So we'll put him next to the April. Adorable. Love it. Now I need to be able to make sure I can fit in more of these cute little guys. Where can I fit more? Let's put washi here. Maybe I'll fit a little guy here. I could fit the giraffe maybe. I kind of wish I would have wrote the months on the side, so it gave me spaces to put them on the tops, but it is what it is. I have to work with what I've done, what my choices here, basically. Okay, we'll put the giraffe because he's slim enough to fit, I think, in here. Cute guy. Yeah, he fits. Adorable. Okay, where else can we put a guy? I have the monkey. He's kind of hanging. Maybe go with the monkey on the page. I'll just have him like swinging there, hanging out. I think that's cute. What other guy do I want on here? The elephant's so cute, but I don't think I'll be able to fit him. I want a different kind of, I don't want like another cat kind of animal. So I have the zebra or the turtle. The turtle's cute. He's small. Maybe I could fit him somewhere. put them there. Okay, let me grab some balloons to balloon this up a little bit. Got some balloons here. See, just have fun with it. Just, you know, fun celebrations. A nice little list. Balloons there. So cute. Scissors. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this off here. Let me get some more washi down, just because I do like the washi. So cute. Okay, but yeah, that's basically the little list. And I'll just fill in the rest of the birthdays once I have the exact dates. I could put them all in, but for the most part, that would be it. So cute. So you can flip it and then you see all the birthdays that you're celebrating. If you have more birthdays, then I would attach another page, like if you need a bigger list. I don't have like a huge list of people that I need to keep track of, but it's always nice to have a list like this in your planner ready to go for you to just check, because sometimes I forget. And then you can reference it. But also, even if you know all your birthdays, it's just a nice way to have them all in one spot. Like, it's cute. It's a cute thing to have in your planner. All right, so that is going to be it. That's my little birthday page for my family's birthdays. Don't forget all the washi, all the cute little things that come in this new subscription, the 2 new subscriptions. Definitely check it out. Planything's always linked down in my description with an affiliate link and my discount code. So yeah, check it out. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.